And many of the studies found that honey has amazing therapeutic benefits, especially if mixed with a couple of cinnamon, according to Canadian researchers, and despite the sweet taste, but that the amount of honey can treat many diseases. Where the scientists study and compare research on the uses of ancient civilizations of honey, and found he had treated some chronic conditions such as arthritis, inflammation of the colon, the pain of the teeth, high cholesterol, colds, and hair loss. The findings were published in the Journal of Stunning World News Canadian Prescriptions and to you. 1. Arthritis. Place a spoonful of honey with 2 tablespoons of warm water, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, make the dough and rub the affected area, the pain will disappear within minutes. Drinking a glass of warm water with 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon, morning and evening to ease the pain of arthritis and cure. I found a study by the University of Copenhagen, 200 arthritis patients from 73 patients who took 1 tablespoon honey and ½ teaspoon cinnamon daily before breakfast for 1 week, fully recovered and healed the sick during the month of rest, and he could walk and move freely without pain. 2. Hair loss. Put 1 teaspoon honey with a cup of olive oil, boiled, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and create a mixture. Place on the hair before showering quarter of an hour, or 5 minutes, and precipitation will depend on the hair due to the brilliance and vitality. 3. Bladder infections. Mix 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm water and drink it. This drink the contents and eliminate the bacteria in the bladder. 4. Toothache. Make a paste of 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 5 teaspoons of honey, put the mixture on the position of pain. Place 3 times daily, until it stops the pain or go to the doctor. 5. Cholesterol. 2 tablespoons of honey, cinnamon and 3 tablespoons water in 16 ounces tea, can reduce cholesterol by 10% in only 2 hours. If they dealt with treatment 3 times daily for a week may heal completely. Eating a tablespoon of honey taken before food cholesterol protects against infection. 6. Cold. For the treatment of colds and flu, take 1 teaspoon honey with warm water and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon 3 times a day. This will cure most chronic cough, cold unit. For a cold faster, ooze a lemon, and definitively with a lemon peel to the other quarters, ooze minced garlic, put them in a kettle and boil the mixture well, descriptive in my cup and spoon honey, drinking a cup of them every 2 hours. 7. Treatment of infertility and erectile dysfunction. Use honey for the treatment of infertility since ancient times, where he works to strengthen the sperm. For men, dealing with 2 tablespoons of honey a day before sleep. For women, workshop QMN mix cinnamon with ½ teaspoon honey and Afghan the gums even dissolve in saliva and is absorbed by the body. 8. Upset stomach. Honey taken with cinnamon powder cures stomach pain and discomfiture, if the address on a treatment, the elimination of gastric ulcer completely. 9. Gas. According to studies in Japan, said eating a tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon a day before eating, healing of gas and flatulence. 10. Heart disease. To avoid infection, heart disease, cholesterol, try eating a teaspoon of cinnamon and honey on bread full in the morning. Those who suffered a heart attack, they can sleep assured that the honey and cinnamon aharian will clean and prevent the recurrence of angina. Combination also works to strengthen the heart and strikes. 11. The immune system. The regular use of honey per day with cinnamon strengthens the immune system and protects the body from bacteria and viruses. Honey contains many vitamins and iron. The daily use of honey strengthens the white blood corpuscles to fight bacteria and viral diseases. 12. Indigestion. Eating a spoonful of honey with a pinch of cinnamon before eating, prevent the high acidity of the stomach and prevents infection BHQP. 13. Influenza. A scientist in Spain has proved that taking hold of honey with cinnamon to prevent the flu and reduce the symptoms. 14. Premature aging. Mix 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 3 cups of water and leave a boil. Addressing 1/4 cup, 3 to 4 times a day revive the skin, and stop premature aging. 15. Warts. Mix 3 tablespoons honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon and make a coherent mixture. Placed it on the pimples before sleeping. Rinse in the morning. Honey and cells could grow during the week and eliminate warts completely. 16. Skin infections. Fat mixture of honey and cinnamon on the areas sensitized or infected eczema heal and prevent the appearance. 17. Weight loss. Half an hour before breakfast on an empty stomach, before sleeping, drink honey and cinnamon in a cup of boiled water. if you are obese, should help ease the mixture weight, as it prevents the accumulation of fat. 18. Cancer. Recent research in Japan and Australia that address the outstanding honey and cinnamon workshop 3 times a day for a month deal, especially bone cancer and stomach. 19. Fatigue. Studies have shown that taking a tablespoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon strengthens the body, and raise the energy levels in the body. Especially in the morning and at 3 o'clock, when energy levels start declining. 20. Bad breath. Sign Balamadamadp, a mixture of 1 teaspoon honey, cinnamon and workshop, to maintain dental hygiene and cleanliness of the smell of the mouth. 21. Sinuses and headaches. Drink a mixture of honey and lemon.